Hello guys, welcome back to Mech Geeks YouTube channel. In this video we are going to know how to draw an ellipse, using arc of circle method. For example, an ellipse with 100 mm major axis and 50 mm minor axis need to draw. So let's follow these simple sequence. At first, draw the major and minor axis with 100 mm and 50 mm. And give naming to them. Take the compass, and set its size to the length of AO. Now take the center as C, draw an arc at OB, and AO. These are the focal points. And name them F1 and F2. Now divide the F10 into equal parts. Here I am taking 5 equal parts. Now again take the compass, and set its size to A1 length. And now keep the center as F1, and draw an arcs like this on top and bottom. Now set the compass size to B1, but this time take center as F2. And cut the previous arcs like this. Similarly draw arcs with A2 and B2, A3 and B3, A4 and B4, continue this process on right side also. Finally draw a smooth curve by joining the points where they are intersecting. And this is the required ellipse with major axis 100 mm and minor axis 50 mm. That's it guys. This is the explanation about how to draw an ellipse using the arc of circles method. Please like our video. If you still have any ideas about new topic in our channel, please feel free to mention in the comment section. And please don't forget to share this video on your social handles. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.